Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over how to import data in Excel. To do this, we will insert a text file in cell 09. This file will be given to you before you start this course. For me, this file is going to be saved on the desktop, so go ahead and save it wherever you would like to. So let's start by going into cell 09. We will go into the Data tab. You'll see a drop-down for Get Data. We'll hover over From File. And since it's going to be a text file, we'll choose from text/CSV. Go ahead and click that. Navigate to where you saved it. So I will go to the desktop. I'll choose my file, this import data, and we'll choose import. Once that loads up, you'll see a preview box. At the bottom, you'll see a load, and then you'll see a little drop down next to it. Go ahead and choose that. We'll click load to. From here, you'll see an import data window. It's just asking you how you would like it to be imported into the workbook. So in this case, we want to keep it as a table, but when it asks us where do we want to put this data, instead of a new worksheet, we want it on the existing worksheet. And you already see we are selected in 09 because that's what we started with. But in the event that you didn't choose 09 to start, you could choose this little up arrow and select the cell and then click OK. And if we scroll over to the right, we can close the queries and connections box and we can see our data imported as a table.